Hi everyone! In this demo, I'm going to walk through how to utilize external user-defined functions or UDFs in RisingWave. External UDFs can be defined in Python or Java and are useful when you need to perform complex transformations that aren't supported by the available functions in RisingWave, or if you want to utilize external libraries. In this demo, we'll go over how to create an external Python UDF that converts data in XML format into JSON format so that we can easily work with it in RisingWave. To start, I have a Docker Compose container running with just Kafka in RisingWave. In my Python notebook file, I'll go ahead and run these code cells that create and sends XML data to a Kafka topic called XML data. Next, I'll start a RisingWave instance so I can ingest this data by using the create table command. Here, I'm specifying to ingest data from the XML data topic from Kafka. You'll notice that the format is specified as bytes since RisingWave doesn't natively support the XML format. Querying from the table, we see that the table is in bytes and needs to be transformed. So I'll create a Python UDF back in the Python notebook. Realistically, you'll run a Python project to start the UDF server, but for purposes of this demo, I'm using a notebook file for simplicity. We'll need to install and import the Arrow UDF library, then we can define this function that takes byte data as input and outputs it in JSON format by using the element tree XML API. At the end, I'll start the UDF server at port 8890. Now back to RisingWave, I can read the function in from the UDF server by using the create function command. I define the basics of the function, such as the name, input-output type, the language, and the server location. Once the function is defined, I can use it on the employee column from our table by creating a materialized view, so the results are stored and instantly updated. We see that it transforms the data from bytes into JSON. Then I can extract each column from the materialized view by selecting from it like so. And that's a quick demo on how to create UDFs and use them to convert data in XML format into JSON format. Feel free to test RisingWave or RisingWave Cloud to see if it meets your requirements. To access the documentation, head over to docs.risingwave.com. You can scroll down to the UDF section for more information on external and embedded UDFs in RisingWave. If you have more questions, head over to risingwave.com where you can join our Slack community or contact us directly. The RisingWave team is always here to help.